Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a St. Patrick's Day surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Shamrock surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to go ahead and line up the corners and give it a nice fold down the middle, just like I'm making a birthday card. Then I'm going to go and fold it up one more time. And this way it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And what I like to do is I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up from the bottom. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin right about here and we're going to make the top of our shamrock. So I'm going to begin here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down and then back up, and then we're going to curve it in like this. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. And then same thing here, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. Then right here, I'm going to bring this line down and then curve it up. And then same thing here, I'm going to bring this line down and curve it up. Next, I'm going to bring this line in just a little bit. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side for the stem. We'll make a little line that curves across. And then a line that curves across the top for the stem. Now I want to give this a little face. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to make a nice big circle for an eye. Then I'll make another circle for an eye right over here. I'll make a circle inside of here and another circle right inside of here. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. And then right down here I'm going to make a little smiley face. Now the next step is to open this up and we're going to draw the inside. Now once we have this all opened up, we have our two halves of our shamrock. And we're going to go ahead and add all the fun details inside of here. So I'm going to begin by connecting this line all the way down to here. So I'm just going to make a long line that's just going to come down and connect this. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down just a little bit. And I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. Now, let's bring this line straight across, and then we're going to curve up just a little bit, but we don't want to go past that fold. And then I'm going to make a little line like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to here. And I'm going to bring this all the way over to here and connect it. Now, I want to give my shamrock some teeth. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to make some nice big teeth inside of my shamrock. So we're just going to make some nice big teeth like this. And I'll do the same thing here, make some nice big teeth down here. Now I'm going to give my shamrock a tongue. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out. And then I'm going to just curve it back to here. And then I'll add a little line right here. Now for the mouth, I'm going to begin right about here and I'm just going to make another line that comes down. We're going to jump over the tongue and come right here. And then we'll do another line right here. We're just going to come down, jump over the tongue and bring it to here. Now, inside of here, I'm going to write Happy St. Patty's Day. So I'm just going to kind of fast forward this. You don't even have to write this, but I just like to add a little something inside of here. Now, after I have that written, then the next step is I'm just going to add a couple little details around here. So I'm just going to add some small clovers around here. So I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and down. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, and the same thing right here and connect it. Then I'll add two little lines down for a stem. Do the same thing here. We're just going to make some little petals here, and then a little stem. And we'll make another one over here. Make our little clover shape. Then I'll put one over here as well, just to kind of fill up the area. And then I'm also going to add some coins in here. I'm just going to make some little circle or kind of oval shapes with a little curve at the bottom. So we'll make a little oval shape with a curve at the bottom, just to kind of add a little bit of extra fun details inside of here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little shamrock surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have a cute little shamrock. And then when we open it, we have this big crazy mouth saying Happy St. Patty's Day. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.